do we need collectivism or do we need individualism? Well, it's not as simple as just saying collectivism or individualism, but one may say we need parts of the individualistic argument and we need parts of the collectivist argument. Now let me explain. A collectivist argument makes the case that in order for society to work and function properly, you need some form of collective cultural or religious identity. Could be ethnic and tribal as well, but those religious and cultural are the most common ones, at least today. So this is an undeniable fact. Of course you need something to pull people together to avoid the risk of complete fragmentation of the entire society into individual groups and so forth. You need something, some form of glue to keep them together. But then again, if you go full out collectivist, you will end up with some issues, and that needs to be balanced out. Now the way you balance these things out is through a combination. You can do this from a parliamentary point of view. You can have free choice, free election, voting and so forth. Although that may solve some problems, you are also going to need checks and balances. Now if you don't know the French philosopher Montesquieu, check him out. He has done an incredible work on this. He's a 17th century French philosopher, and he says that you need to divide power into different playing fields or areas. And why do you need to do this? Well, to simply avoid people or a certain group, certain ideology from getting too much power. Now this could be a certain ethnic group or a certain economical group. For example, people talk of the rich as a part of the problem in society. To an extent, yeah, that's true. I've made another video on the rich and why the rich stay rich and why the poor stay poor. So if you want, you can check that out. But the basic point regarding collectivism and individualism is, to a certain extent you need both, because when you think of it, society is a combination of two things: the individual and the collective. This is a fact. You cannot deny that we are made up of two different parts, very basically, the individual and the collective. Therefore we need something to adhere or to represent the individual, i.e. individualism, and you need something to represent and take care of the collective, i.e. collectivism. Thank you for watching.